Hi, my name is Michael Levin, and I'm with EverythingMotorcycles.com. Let's talk about motorcycle repair. Every motorcycle is going to have different maintenance requirements. The best way to avoid motorcycle repair is follow a minimum schedule of the manufacturer's recommendation for servicing. From there, however, it will be expected to have some problems, as will any vehicle. Maintaining a battery, changing out the batteries, charging systems, motor systems, even suspension issues such as fork seals. Those are all symptoms that the motorcycle can show as problems. We find here the best way to tackle some of these are going to be using a qualified, certified motorcycle technician. Some of these repairs can be done on your own, such as motorcycle batteries. It's always good to have certain tools, such as a voltmeter, to be able to check your motorcycle battery. Certain symptoms, depending on environments, can happen to the motorcycle. Could be in an area where you have a high salt content in the air, could create corrosion in certain parts of the motorcycles. Some areas have cold to contend with, some areas have heat to contend with. And again, the best way to combat costly repairs is following a routine maintenance schedule. Always check with the dealership for warranty and recall issues, and always ask a good qualified motorcycle technician what they recommend, how you want to approach, how they recommend how to approach an issue of repair. Where do you start from? There's a number of ways in which you can approach these issues for motorcycle repair. Again, the best way we find is through using a qualified motorcycle technician and a trustworthy shop that you can trust in and that's been recommended from other riders. From there, again, if you want to avoid these costly repairs, we do recommend periodic maintenance. And again, depending on the systems, what the bike is presenting as a problem will depend on how we approach the motorcycle for repair. Again, are you having electrical issues, suspension issues, things such as leaking forks, etc., can all be minimized expenses just through general basic routine.